Good morning, friends. It literally is good morning because it's first thing on Saturday morning. I've got my hoops here and my smashed up thumb. I can't believe I managed to smash my thumb in my own car door, and I'm not even sure how I did it. So, when you start seeing those videos of making some electronic circuits, I apologise in advance. It's a little bit gross. Right. Yesterday I was in Basildon, of all places, at a meeting, and I saw these things in the car park, in the middle of the road bit of the car park, the roadway, and one of my colleagues went over and grabbed them and gave them to me. And it's basically Christmas cards. It's a bunch of Christmas cards. They appear to have been really damaged somehow, and I think it must have been fallen out of someone's bag on the way, on the way to actually posting them, and they sort of got this weird thing. They look like they're ripped on the whole edge, and just two of them. One of them is just more worn, and it's a really weird wear pattern. And I thought maybe it's someone had opened them to get money out, but it's a very odd thing to do in that way as well. So I thought what I'll do is, just repair them and post them off today. They're all stamped and everything. Hang on. Just about to tape that. I'm just thinking, if I tape that, am I effectively taping the card in? So maybe I'll take the card out. It's an odd video, isn't it, today? How to repair a lost card. But I think it's the right thing to do. I want to... a card's got to be received, right? If someone's sent it. It's like I'm doing the job of the Royal Mail here. I wonder if you sent this into the post office as is, I bet they would consider at least figuring out how to get this to the person. Maybe they shove it in a bag, like a clear Ziploc or something with a sticker on it that says this mail has been damaged in transit and we're sending it on. I almost feel like I should write a little message, shouldn't I? Hi, found this, and then that somehow I get some of the glory of this card. I mean, oh, that is working. That's a worker. Let's do this one. Found this card. I'm going to leave a message on it actually, because I think you'd want to know why it arrived so damaged. Found this card. What should I write? Found this card. Dropped. Let's do that better. Found this dropped card. Hope you get it. Receive it. There we go. That's pretty good, isn't it? Now, I'm thinking maybe for structural integrity it's going to need that end piece. And you can tell I'm a dab hand at the old taping. I've been sending out a lot of Odroid hats and retro nets and those things, and I'm posting up them boxes. I'm taping them, gluing them, licking them shut, putting on the stamps, all that sort of stuff. That's the first one. All right, so let's do the second one here. So I don't know what. Oh my word! Look at this one. This one is got some serious damage here. So I just need a bit to recoup some energy here. That one. That might be a challenge. Notice him. Got a little baggie here for my RetroNet PCBs. I'm thinking I could try the old plastic bag trick. What can we put these in? So by the way, that's what RetroNet PCBs up look like as a partial built bomb. I've put on most of those components, just waiting for more modules and bits and bobs before I can finish those off. think that'll do. Yeah, that's pretty bloody slick. I tell you what, I could be a postmaster, couldn't I? Have you ever received any weird post? You know, like some people, you know, like you read it in the paper where they'll receive a letter that was sent, you know, many moons ago. You know, like days and days and days, or years or something. I feel like we shouldn't leave that label on there though. Damaged. There. Good. And now this one, I'm going to help the author by just... I don't think writing in silver on a white thing is good. I don't think it will get to the destination. So I'm going to just go over there. And just write the address over there. I could have posted this. I was right near that area. Imagine that. How weird would that be? Having someone just randomly post some letters for you. Right, well, I think that's pretty good going. We've got our run off to the post office and get those in. I don't know, maybe I should give them a little gift or something. That would be nice, wouldn't it? That'd be... Why don't you come and watch the back office show? Look at this for a minute as well. My cereal. This is something I bought it a while back, and it's graphite varnish, and it's electrically conductive. You've got two tubes, the solvent and the graphite, which if that's too thick you basically water it down with some solvent to paint it on. Bought it for something. It was quite expensive, can't remember what I bought it for. So if you've got things though like the inside your Game Boy, you've got your D-pad things. These are the graphite's often used to protect those contacts. So you've got the silver tinned contacts, and then people just sort of paint this over the silver tin to protect it. But if you can remember what I was going to do with this, please let me know so I can do something with it. As ever, thank you for watching.